Yo guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna do a update review. Review. Something like that. So first we are gonna start with the cars, and I don't have a face cam because otherwise my comments are turned off and I really want them turned on. So first, I haven't got any information yet, so first we are gonna look for limiteds. None yet. Then pick up. Oh, this one is limited 1 million. That is a bit much for me. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. So we have a new 2021 BMW M4 competition. We have a 2022 Honda Civic hatchback, a 2020 Tesla Model X, a 2020 Tesla Model Y, a 2022 BMW iX, we have a 2022 Audi RS6 Avant, a 2020 Toyota Avalon XLE, I don't really know the exact model IRL, and the 2013 Dodge Dart GT. I think that's the real name too, but like, where's the is the old R6 still here? I don't think so. Then we go on to here. We have the new limited 2014 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. I will definitely try to buy it. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. So they also said they had a new part of the map. So let's just get a car out. Let's get this one out. Nah. Let's get this one out. This one is limited and fast. So yeah. There we go. Just gonna turn the volume off. So let's go. I have wait, let me just get on the police team so I earn something. Here we go. Yes. So first I think I'm gonna look at like the dead end at the dealership, because I saw someone drive over there, but I still don't know. And I am in the Discord of Strigid, but I just really like to explore. So I'm just gonna try and find it. Oh god, oh god. Okay, this can't be good. Oh, yes, there we are. Do I have collisions turned off? Collisions. Fucking hell. Vehicle collisions disabled. Yeah, okay. Oh! Okay. I'm gonna get my grip tires because this isn't good. I think it's here. No, it's not. Shit. Oh god. I actually don't know where it is. Like, wait, was that already there? I don't know. If you hear someone screaming in the background, it's just my mom getting mad at our cats because they are scratching the couches and stuff. Oh, where are they? Okay, I think if I don't find it soon, I think I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research. But maybe it is. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna try like near the shift spawn. When like in the loading screen, and then you like see yourself standing where like the memorials of the cat and dogs are from the deaths. So yeah. I'm just gonna drive over there real quick, and I don't edit my videos, so you have to see me drive over there, but luckily this car can go like 250 miles an hour. So, oh shit. Yeah, okay, shit. Yeah, I'll just get on the civilian team. I drove too fast for the game to load in. That's just crazy. Okay, let's get car out. And I don't know if the speed tilts faster or the ultimate arrow. So please, if the comments are on, leave that in the comments. So when I record a update video, I can use the fastest car. This for yeah. There's a car heading towards me. Okay. Here we have the Paradise condos. Maybe I've never been here before, so I don't know if this is new. I don't think so. Oh, sick drifts. Oh, that was pretty clean, not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna look in the Discord real quick of them. So let's get it out. Here we are. So here we have the Strigid Discord, and if we just go down list, update time featuring about 5 remodels, 60 cars, and 1 loaned car, 48 hours. That's so off-road. Okay, near Seaside Bar and Grill.
Hartje,
Ja?
kunnen jullie hier straks wel een beetje slapen of is het gewoon echt dikke chaos?
Het kan wel, alleen ik ben eigenlijk aan het opnemen.
Oh, sorry. Ik ben alweer weg.
Okay,
dus
dank you. Yeah. Okay, that was my mom coming in. I really need like some kind. I think it's, yeah, 100% this is it. I need like something like when I'm recording to put it up. But yeah, I think this is it. And they said new off-road trail, so do you have any good off-road vehicles? Coupe, hatchback, hyper, pickup, SUV, sedan. I don't really have a good off-road vehicle, so if I just can be a dealership employee, then I can just buy a SUV real quick. This one seems good enough. And then Seaside Bar and Grill is Seaside Bar and Grill right here. And then I can just spawn it in real quick. And yeah, I haven't really tested this out yet. It's pretty nice. Just go right here, then we can view it. Jeez, this car's slow. Look. Okay, so I saw a trail going into the bushes. Right here, so no, that's nothing. It's really weird. I would have recorded this in my private server, but I need to pay that. This. Whoa, this is pretty nice. Oh, no, don't say I'm stuck. Right now. I'm stuck. Fuck's sake. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna unemployed, gonna sell that. And I would have recorded this in my own private server, but I pretty much can't. I want to thank you guys. Wait, I need to do something real quick. Good enough. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you a happy 2022. Have a nice day. Bye.